In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to personalize your TradingView experience by changing the background color of your chart. Customizing the appearance of your trading charts can make a significant difference in your analysis experience, as it not only enhances visual appeal, but can also aid in better data interpretation by reducing eye strain or making the chart easier to read. Let's walk through the steps on how you can achieve this quickly and effortlessly. First things first, you'll want to have TradingView open on your computer or device. Once you're there, open a chart. It doesn't matter which one you choose, as this setting will apply to any chart you're viewing. Now, when you have your chart in front of you, the next step is to right-click anywhere on the chart. This action will reveal the context menu, a convenient tool that provides you with several options tailored for quick access to various settings. From this context menu, you'll want to look for and select the option labeled Settings. Clicking on this will open up a new window dedicated to the customization of your chart. Within the Settings window, you'll notice several tabs at the top. Navigate to the one labeled Appearance. This tab houses all the options you need for modifying the visual aspects of your chart, including colors, grid lines, and more. Now, to specifically change the background color, locate the Background section under the Appearance tab. Here, you'll see a small color square or a drop-down menu, your gateway to customizing the backdrop of your chart. Click on this color square or drop-down. A color picker tool will pop up, providing you with a wide range of options. You can opt for a solid color, which might be more straightforward and easier on the eyes, or, if you're feeling creative, choose the gradient option. The gradient option allows you to blend two colors seamlessly, offering a unique visual experience that can make certain data points pop. Simply select your two desired colors from the palette provided. Play around with the choices until you find the combination that works best for you. Remember, this is all about making the chart work to your preferences, so take a moment to experiment and find what feels right. Once you're satisfied with your selection, look for the OK button and click it. This will apply your chosen colors to the chart permanently, until of course you decide to change it again, and that's all there is to it. Personalizing your TradingView charts with your preferred background color can enhance both the functionality and your personal engagement with the market data. Thanks for tuning in, and happy chart customization.